click and go to layout, blank one, go to insert, shape and oval, click on it and drag on the middle. You have to click Ctrl Alt Shift to make it bigger like this, and I will say no fill, and I need one more cycle. Click on the middle, click from the middle and Ctrl Alt Shift. It's like this, and no fill too, and click both shape, right click and group. Go to insert again, shape, and I need the line, I need one line to draw like this, and I copy a few more lines, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, click Ctrl D also, Ctrl D, I rotate the line, go to rotation and more rotation option, and rotation I need 30 degree, and the third line I need, go to rotation the same, I need 60 degree, and another one I need 90 degree, and I need 120 degree. For the last one I need 150 degree, so this one I will delete, something like this, and then go to insert and select take box and 12. I do from 12, I need to bigger bold and take shadow, just move it to here and click on Control and copy it, edit it to the correct numbers, number 1 and number 2. Okay, so you can delete the line, you can remove the line, and I need the hour, minute and second, so I go to insert, I select this one and I draw like this, and I need it in the middle, so make it smaller like this, and I copy it, Ctrl C and V, just rotate it and it like this, and for this one I will say no fill, and then I select both object and right click and I group it, and then I say no shape outline because I don't want to show up in this one, and then I will go to animation, and the animation is a spin, here is spin, yes, spin animation, it will show like this, and I go to insert again, click on shape and I need oval, this one oval, and I click on in the middle, don't forget to press Ctrl Alt Shift, something like this, and I choose the template and shape effect, you can choose whatever you want, and go to animation. In animation pane you can set something, just right click and timing, so duration I set it 60, and for repeat let it do until we click and then click OK, so we just click a bit and then it will like this, escape, and I need one more, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and this one I do it smaller, a bit smaller, because this is the minute, this is second and this is minute, just put it in the middle too, and animation I need a spin too, and but for this one I timing I set it to 60-100, it means 10 minutes, I right click, I send it to back, and Ctrl C and Ctrl V, I need one more, it is hour, just smaller because it is hour, and I set in the middle too, and for the animation it come from we copy, yes, and right click I set it to the timing, I set it to the same, yes, 10 minutes, so 600 seconds, okay, and just right click and send to back, and we can rotate it, so go to format and rotation, more rotation, and example the hour I need 20 degree like this, and for minute I need 45 degree, sorry, not minute, it is a second, I need it for 45 degree, and then let's start. it is like this.